In today's video I want to show you guys how you can change the AV settings and how you can select the AV output on your TV. Okay, for the first step we click on our remote, and here we have this button. So click on this button here, on this input button, and here we can select AV. So click on this, and after that, so wait a second, and after that here you see AV, click on this, and then you have AV selected as an output. And what we also can do is click on our remote here, click on the settings button, so on this here, click on this, and then we go all the way down to Smart TV, no, to System, and here we have the input settings. So click on this, and here we can change our AV settings. So if I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe, and then see you next time.